MYX Finance. So usage has exploded and prices followed. Prices followed. It's a simple rule of thumb. If it's a game and usage is exploding, it will rally. If it's a DeFi protocol and usage is exploding, price will rally. If it's a DePIN project and usage is exploding, price will rally. Usage is important. We're going to dive into what's happening with MYX right now and what this can hit while it's on this roll. Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. These were cryptos that I thought were going to do really, really well. We're going to make a lot of money, which is obviously why I showed myself buying them. These were their prices when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle, and what your profits would have been if you'd popped $100 into them. 100 into each would have been a $2,600 investment. In the last bull cycle, that would have netted your profit of over 123 grand. And that only took about 15 months, which is pretty good. But you don't have 15 months to get things sorted. We're in a bull cycle right now, and if you're sitting on coins you're not happy with, if you've got cryptos that are not performing, you've got to get it fixed. If you don't know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to the site, full membership to the site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members all the cryptos I own. Whenever I find any coin that I think can do very, very well, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the crypto, the reasons I think it can do well, and the price that I'll be buying it at. When I sell, I do the same thing. There is no work for my members. On the site, you can see some of the profits the members have made and some of the successes that led to those profits, like Phantom. Phantom in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. Myself, my members, we got in at half a cent and went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. Some of my members became millionaires from that one alone. This is all public record, so you can verify it all. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle, all you got to do to find out is join up on the site. Now, MYX. So 40% up in the last 24 hours on a bit of a tear. Now, granted, it had a really solid kind of September, October, going to magnificent highs of like $19, right? And that was where it was at 8 cents, like at the beginning of 2025. So very, very good, right? Or summer of 2025. So did incredibly well. Right now sitting at $3.38. There is certainly room for this to rise. Also has 71,000 holders, sitting at a very tasty market cap of 747 million. Total value locked is very, very small, only 23 million. But you would expect that given what this is. Now, it's a non-custodial derivatives exchange. So it's not that similar to kind of Asta, right? They enable on-chain trading of perpetual markets for virtually any token within an existing AMM. It was designed to introduce the lower amount of capital required for providing liquidity. It removes network-related barriers for traders, streamlines the trading flow so that advanced derivatives are as accessible as spot swaps. They have actually been doing outstanding numbers as well recently. So I've seen a couple of coins breaking out today. One is Starknet, the other is MYX. Now, MYX in particular, showing pretty positive reasons for a rally. So MYX is has raised strong backing. This is from Hashkey Capital and Consensus. Remember, Consensus is no joke. It's basically the biggest. They made MetaMask, you know what I mean? And they launched their native token through a token generation event. They joined a $100 million BNB chain incentive pool after being listed on Binance Alpha. The platform's total value locked crossed 37 million in just 1 week on BNB chain, signaling strong user adoption. And after a month-long consolidation, it's about to test pivotal resistance zones, being around $4. And the MYX price is believed to reach the interim resistance at $6. If it secures the range, a rise to $8 could be imminent. But they have had usage that has started to legitimately rise. So if we dive in, you can see that actually 24-hour volume, 154 million on just the Bitcoin USDT pair. That's pretty damn good. And overall usage is starting to rise quite bloody well. Total volume right now, $116 billion. I mean, staggering numbers. What is that number? And data monitoring is always something I enjoy. So, there we go. So, total volume 116 billion, as I said. If we dive in to the daily, I mean, again, so comfortably doing $1 billion plus volume a day, or close to $1 billion a day. If we go by monthly, we can see actually this has been its best month by quite a considerable margin. This shows the net usage that has absolutely just skyrocketed for MYX. Open interest has been increasing. Total earnings has been increasing. Generally, the numbers here are good. They are good. Now, the data is, of course, and users 178,000. Now, that's for all the chains, but overall number rising is great. This has been MYX's best month, and you're starting to see price catching up. Now, it's not going to touch, it's quite a way away from its all-time high, obviously, which was $19. But because of the way that they've been built, there's zero slippage on the market. You've got plenty of solid earn mechanisms and staking mechanisms. Your APY is 80%, which is outstanding. And obviously that will drop over time. Now there's still, of course, plenty of token unlocks to occur. We still have 780 million odd tokens to be released. 30 million next month. But that is ecosystem incentives. It only really starts getting interesting in May of next year. And that's when early investors start getting their share. Because early investors like to bank profit. And if they do, that's when we'll start seeing a lot of selling pressure hitting the market. But right now, selling pressure isn't there. There is simply buying pressure. And the buying pressure appears to be substantial. I said this before, MYX I think has a very solid shout to get back to $10. If it breaks above and make $4, if it breaks above $4, it's got a very, very real shot of getting to $10 by this sort of end of this year. Now, obviously, that's still a quite significant rise, with really only about 6 weeks of the year left. But looks very, very doable. This is garnering a lot more momentum. Keeping an eye on the user statistics is important. Can December start better than November? Are the last couple of weeks of this month going to be better than the first couple of weeks of this month? This is already the best month in MYX's history. There's still a couple of weeks left. How well can this go? Could this just continue blasting? If it does, and December starts strong, this could easily end up being a $10 coin. Yeah, that's the reality. If December starts, if this month ends well, we could see a very, very, very good rally. If you're a holder, 171,000, what are you hoping to see this bull cycle? How high do you think this can go? Let me know in the comments. And guys, we're in a bull cycle, and if you're sitting on coins you're not happy with, cryptos that are not performing, you've got to get it fixed. If you don't know where to begin, get onto copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members every crypto that I own whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any coin. I tell my members the coin that I'm buying or selling and price I'm doing it at. So my members have no work, they are in and out of coins, same price, and they make the same profit. On my site, you can see some of the profits the members have made, some of the successes that led to those profits, whether it was a meme coin we held for a fortnight that did a 300x, or whether it is Phantom, which in the last bull cycle, my members, we got in at half a cent. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. Bunch of my members became millionaires from that one alone. This is all public record, so you can verify it. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the coins that are going to be the winners this year, this bull cycle, all you got to do to find out is on the site, guys. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.